Hello everybody. On to week 4. You're getting there. You're almost halfway done. All right, this week we're going to talk about your thesis statement and the introductory paragraph. So I'm just going to refer to my notes here as we get into the assignment and your discussion boards. Okay, when you do your thesis statement is one sentence. And then what follows basically is the rest of your introductory paragraph that's going to support that thesis statement, all right? So as you're working on your assignment, let's talk about that specifically. When you're looking at your assignment, you're going to add this introductory paragraph and your thesis statement to the shell that you've already submitted and I graded. Now make sure you make the revisions based on the comments that I gave you last time and add in the shell to it. Don't leave any parts out. You're going to continue to build and build and build upon this. So don't just submit the thesis statement and introduction. You're going to submit the entire shell again with the addition of this component now. Now, remember, out on the news post, I do have that overview of what the shell should look like. So if you need to refer to that, you can, all right? So write your thesis statement and introduction, which needs to be one paragraph. The first page of your paper is going to be the title page. Now remember, the title on that page is going to be the same as what goes on the third page of your document. The second page is going to be your abstract page. And then finally, the third page or the next page will start your introductory paragraph with your thesis statement. But you need to have the full title present on the third page, and it needs to be exactly like it was on the first page. Okay, so refer to that shell if you need to. There is no professional development assignment this week, so you're off the hook with that. Yay, you get a little break there. Now let's move on to the discussion question, because you are going to have a discussion board this week pertaining to working on thesis statements. Now, I make almost 0 comments this week for your discussion board because I want you guys to make their critiques. I don't want to do any input and take away from what somebody else was potentially going to say. All right, so choose 3 current topics of debate in healthcare and prepare a strongly argumentative thesis statement for each. Now, that's what you're going to do in your primary post. Now, when you get into your response posts, that's where I expect you to do a critique. I don't want to see that you agree with the topic or you don't agree with the topic. You're literally giving your peer feedback on how well it was written. I want you to give them input. You need to make this stronger, and this is what you need to say. Or this was too strong, and this is why. I truly want you to give them feedback. That is what I'm going to be looking for. I don't want to see comments that I agree with this statement or I'm on your side with this. I want to know, does this statement pull you into the paper? Does it catch your eye to pull you in? Okay? All right. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. And again, we're almost halfway done.